the rabbit brought a big surprise egg. Let's see what's inside. I wonder what surprises are in here. Let's find out. Our first surprise is a ninja turtle. How nice. Let's see how this works. A little bit more. Okay, it turns really nicely. Really nice ninja turtle. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, it's Charlie Brown. Snoopy. Let's see. He moves a little bit. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Oh, strawberry shortcake. Nice. Let's see what's in this. Oh, let's see. It's Everest from PAW Patrol. Let's see, she has a backpack. Let's see what the backpack has inside. Oh, that's a cool gadget. Really nice. Okay, let's see what else we have. Here we have, whoa, it's a snake. Let's see how this works. Let's see. Oops. Nice. Let's see our last surprise. It's Chase from PAW Patrol. He has a backpack also. Let's see what's inside of his backpack. Whoa, that's cool. Nice backpack. Let's see what's in our next egg. Thank you. Let's see what's inside of this egg. Let's open it. Let's find out. It's a nice truck. Let's see. And it's a transformer. See how it transforms. See, he comes walking. And now he can transform back into a truck. Really nice. can go on one of the sides. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, we have 2 chipmunks. Oh, I like their blue shirts. They're very cute. Okay, let's see what else we have. Here we have a yellow truck. Oh, that sounds good. Nice. Let's see what's in the surprise egg. Let's open it. Let's see what we have here. Oh, we have 2 ponies. Let's see the first one. Oh, she's so cute with her long hair. She has wings. And here is the yellow one with long hair. Nice pink hair. You are so cute. Okay, let's see what else we have. Boat. Doo doo, doo doo. Let's see what else we have. What is this here? We have Snoopy. Snoopy is dancing today. Oh, let's see how Snoopy dances. Oh, he's adorable. So let's see a little closer. Here is the little bird. Let's see how Snoopy dances. Nice. What's inside? Let's see what's inside. Oh, how cute! Let's see. Oh, this moves like this. Very nice. Now let's see our next one. Oh, it's a ladybug. A ladybug with wheels. Let's take a closer look. She can move her head. Hello. Hello. rabbit and he has an octopus on his head. I don't think he's very happy about that. Let's see. Oops! Let's do it one more time. He has a little button here. Let's see again. Whoops! I don't like that octopus on top of my head. I also want to participate. Look how I dance.